Hey guys, it's Davina. So, funny story, my friend Sizzy Sev was coming to set and I saw a video of her on Twitter rapping and I was like thinking of YouTube videos of like ideas of what I could do. And I saw this and I was like, alright, now I gotta learn how to rap because I feel like I'm gonna suck so bad. But I wanna give it my best go, I guess. So you rap, right?
Yeah, I like to just play with it a little bit, you know.
Can you show me some of your freestyling?
Let me see.
Oh my god.
So I got this one that's talking about my lifestyle. Let me see. Alright, let's go.
Your adult lifestyle.
Life used to lit when you ain't gotta pay for shit. All these dudes wanna suck my clit. How about that? I got a bill. I ain't gotta tell that guy, and he will pay for that shit. You already know. I ain't gotta tell that guy. He gon' show. And bitch, what the fuck? I'm a pimp. I don't give a fuck. You's a motherfucking bitch. If you do what the fuck I say without no questions, ask you gay. How about that? Fuck what you say. It's iceberg pimpin', ain't no good in this way. Hand me them strips. They better be blue. If they not, then I'ma shoot you like a Jew. Fuck them ones. They fucking up the stack. I eat meals. You eating on the snack. Speaking of the snack, eat my pussy from the back. Put your thumb in my ass. Yeah, I like it like that. Yeah, like this, like that. Don't stop until you see the exorcist, my nigga. I don't give a fucking. I'ma fucking take your bitch because I am polygamous. Bitch, right on that face, right on that dick. That was it. Oh, should I say dick?
Damn! I don't know. I think you can say dick on YouTube, can't you?
Can we say dick? Okay, that's a name too, right?
I think you can say dick on YouTube.
I think we get a pass.
I like the part where you were like, pay for it. There you have it. Pay for your porn, people.
Yes.
Pay for it.
Yes. Always.
Damn. So you just like wrote that and remembered all of that.
Normally I just remember my best raps. I never write them down.
That was actually really good. I didn't know if it was gonna be good or if she was gonna be like, I ate a ham sandwich for breakfast and now I'm on set and I'm rapping.
Oh no. I used to write poetry in high school, so I got a little wordplay, you know.
Damn. Well, there you have it, guys. That was like bomb. I actually really like that. So now I'm just gonna leave because I'm gonna embarrass myself. Like literally, what am I supposed to do? I'm gonna try freestyling.
Yeah, you should give it a try. It's really easy. You just say whatever comes to your mind.
Oh God.
And whatever rhymes. It don't even have to make sense. I promise you.
All right. Let me crack myself. I'm gonna get up and dance. I tried to get my most thug outfit, but you know, guys, I listen to like 80s pop and country, so I don't listen to rap, so I like know nothing. But all right.
Hey.
All right, guys, I'm gonna try this.
You can do that one. Ooh.
Oh my God, I fucking said. All right. California knows how to party. In this. Oh wait, I fucked that. In the city.
Ooh.
In the city. That's like all I know.
Hey.
We keep it rocking. Oh my God, look, I like twerk my kneecap. Alright, now I get to the good part. Welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West, a state that's untouchable, the alien nest.
Oh!
The track hits you.
You got me
in the city of sex. You're the sunshine state where the bomber can be. What was that? It's beyond mission for them bleeding. Everybody make it to the streets. Then the game continues making rap. Ever since Honey was wearing, what the fuck is Saxon?
I like her rap voice.
What's Saxon? I was doing good there for a second. Ow, I'm so like sweaty, I'm crying right now. So California, the party. California knows how to party. The city. Okay. City. Oh, now we're in. How we go from Compton to LA to whatever was. Alright, wait, there's the part coming on. Wait. Alright, ready? Shake it, baby! Okay. Shake it, baby! Ow, it jiggled a little. Yeah! Put it on, look at this on Snapchat! Oh, look, I'm kind of doing it now. find something I know on here. Oh, what do you guys think so far of my rapping?
Yeah, you gotta let us know down below what you think of her rapping skills and her rap voice. Like, the tone of her voice went down like 5 notches.
I'm trying to do California. I'm fucking dead.
Oh my god, I'm gonna have a heart attack.
I'm dead. Alright, let's see what else we got on here.
Oh my gosh, that was hilarious. Ooh, I'm thinking of...
Alright, guys, you ready for this? Whew. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already, mom's spaghetti. He's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready. The pop drums and keeps up again. When he broke down, the whole crowd gone so loud. He opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking out, everybody's choking now. We gotta get lit. Back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes gravity. I can't breathe. Look at my beauty. Back to his rope. I don't matter if he's dope. Broke, he's so stagnant, he knows. He goes back to his mobile home. That's where it's all like your girlfriend. See, where are we? Lose yourself in the moment. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. The opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Lose yourself in the moment. You better never let it go. Oh, only get one shot. Don't miss your chance to blow. The opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Yeah!
She did that! You did that! You did that! She didn't miss a word.
What? Alright, that's all. I did it.
That was lit.
Alright, try, guys. What'd you think of my rapping?
You rapped your ass off, girl.
You think I could too? Think I have
I
potential?
like how you had all your energy.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that was all my energy.
She became the song.
I got no more
That was
energy.
really good.
So what would you rate my rap skill 1 to 10?
I rated about an 8 because she.
Wow, she gave me an 8!
No, she gave us dance moves and energy. What? Like,
Are you sure you don't get a negative 8?
that in regular artists, they just stand there like, girl.
Oh my god.
You gave us a performance. Like,
there you have it, guys.
future rapper right here.
Davina tries to rap. If you guys think I sucked, make sure you tell me in the comments below. And make sure you follow Sizzy on all her social media. I'll put it in the links. And listen to her actually rap.
Also,
so you don't have to listen to this shit again.
Yep.
That's all. I'm gonna go back to my mobile home.